going to say this, and I hope you don't mind about it. So, actually we are happy because you come here, because it is seldom for the tourists to come here and stay here by the way. But also, there are some people who feel not that comfortable and have complaints against you. I'm so sorry for to say that.
Okay, what is problem?
Okay, for example, like the owner of that house,
No.
She told us that she feels not that comfortable if she always pass over in the house, and when you enter to the house, you not confirm it first to her. And then she really asks. She asked me to tell it for you. So I suggest for the next time, if you want to come or enter to that house, you can confirm it first to her.
Okay.
And then and then if you want to borrow some stuff from there, then ask their permission first. That's what she told me.
Yes.
And then because that is let's say mini restaurant, so they sell some food or drink from there. So
I don't buy anything. I don't take. I take my food.
Oh, you buy it?
Yeah, I bought it from market.
Okay.
I don't buy here anything.
Okay.
No. I don't take product now. I bought avocado. This.
Okay.
I have rice. I have 5 kilograms rice. Nasi.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
And then this is from Serhat. He told me that you always travel some here around here.
I'm staying here.
Oh, you're staying.
This village, I can go market, come back. I don't go far.
Okay. This is only his suggestion. If it's possible, please don't go anywhere. I mean, a bit far from here. If you want to go like to the market, just go around here, because according to current situation, it is not good for the people. I mean, local people here, seeing you travel around, because it can create panic situation around the people.
Situation around
Because
people.
this is the corona outbreak. So if the people see a newcomer like you, it can create panic situation. That's your effect. So that's all.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
I don't use anything from home.
Oh, you don't.